Today I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this in a few minutes. Carry on watching to learn how. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well. It's been a minute. If you haven't seen my previous video, make sure you check it out. As you can tell by the title, this video is a hair video. If you didn't know, I'm a 4C babe. It's been a challenge for me because basically suffer from traction alopecia. I've wanted to get a hair transplant for years, but needles scare me, so here I am still with no hair transplant. Honestly, having traction alopecia, it can be a challenge with trying to, you know, cater towards a style whilst your hair is out. That doesn't, I guess, draw attention to your lack of hairline. A high bun is like my go-to, and I normally fill in my edges with like spray. Disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I'm just your girl next door showing you ways of you being able to do things at home. This video I'm going to show you guys how I styled my hair with clip-ins. Hopefully this can be a different style that you can try out. And are 4C or a tight coat like me, you have an option if you're on the lookout for some clip-ins and you don't know where to get them. This video is a collaboration with Curlsqueen. And this is how the hair arrived. In this box we have this pouch which has a bonnet, clips and a brush, and the hair arrived in that sack, and this is how it looks like up close. As always, I wash any hair that I get, so this is what the hair looks like freshly washed. That's just a track that I showed, and this is what the clips look like up close. So before we install these clip-ins, let me take you back to my intro. So first I had to tackle my hair. I took out these old cornrows and then I washed my hair. Shampooed it twice, added some deep conditioner, detangled my hair, and once that was done, I added some twists. And then we ended up like this. So I'm taking out the twist so that we end up with a twist out. So if you didn't know that clip-ins come in different sizes, we've got the 2 clips, 3 clips, 4 clips, and 5. Next, you're going to need either a wide tooth comb or your fingers to part your hair. I prefer to use my fingers because I'm tender-headed, and then I pack my hair away, or the rest of my hair away, with a clip. Don't worry if your part is wonky like mine, that's fine, you've got this, okay? Next, you grab the clip-ins and you hook it onto your hair, and you simply click, and it's clipped in. That's all you do. Very simple. So once turned around, this is what it looked like, and I was like, let me add a bit more to the bottom. So I reached out for another one to add at the bottom, clipped it in, and voila. So just carry on repeating the same process. You part, pack the rest of your hair away, you measure it, you place it, you hook, and you clip, and you're good to go. It's really that simple. And as you go on, the hair starts to get fuller, and you just literally carry on going. The one thing that I would say is around the perimeter of your hair, or the front part of your hairline, you don't want to clip it all the way to the end. You want to leave some of your hair out so that it's hidden and it doesn't start right at the front. So as you can see, at this part I got the 2 clip-ins, I parted it and I added it. So you can see I've done this side, I'm just doing the other side so that we're done, and voila. The ends looked a bit rough for some of them, so I just snipped where needed to be snipped, so you're free to do that. So once I finished adding all the clip-ins, this is what my hair was looking like. I had some residue from this new mousse gel I tried, so I had to add some water to try and get most of it out. But anyways, this is what the hair was basically looking like, which looked like natural hair. I really like this. So for those of you that don't have edges like me, and you feel self-conscious, of course you can add a hairband in front to hide your hairline, and then, you know, style it to your preference, and you know, you're good to go. Anyways, I also wanted to try how this would look like in the ponytail. Again, I didn't slick it down as much as I could do. I was just still clearly annoyed by the twist out fail with that gel. So I grabbed a first track and then placed this around the ponytail. Once that was secure, I then added another track. So you just do it as you did before. You get on the track, you put it on your head, you hook it, and then you clip it in place. So this was very easy to do, but yeah, you carry on adding as many tracks until you get your desired fullness or thickness that you're looking for. So that's what I did. Anyways, even though this was secure, I decided to get a hairband and pop that on so we have double secureness. No one's gonna yank these tracks out. At this point, I was just playing about the hair. I was like, yeah, this is cute. I like this. Anyways, I was still playing about with the hair, and I decided to tie it up and see how that would look. Of course, I was just like thinking of future styles of me styling up the hair.
like properly, but obviously this is like test to run. Anyways, this was giving me wedding vibes. I was like, okay, it's cute. And then the next day I decided to do a high bun and add the tracks.
I think this is actually quite a close match to my natural hair. For my hair, there's areas where you can see like the definition of my curl pattern, even though it's kinky coily, and there's other parts where it's not as defined, if that makes sense. And I feel like this mimicked it quite well, and hopefully I'll give you an alternative to try out this summer, especially as it's really hot and sometimes just the wigs can be a lot gluing, the laying, the sticking. You might want to switch it up. So for those that are natural, or for those of you that want to just try a different style, hope you find this video helpful. As always, do hit that thumbs up button if you did, and yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye guys.